Hello everybody. Today we are going to discuss about the subject called database management, and myself is T.BALA. My registration number is YOK 19CS1222, and today we are going to see in database management. The topic is about to execute the all commands of data manipulation, and today we are also going to discuss about some terms like insert. Insert is used to insert a row in a table or a table. Update 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 command is used to update the updated of the commands. And we are also going to see delete, and the delete command is used to deleted the insert rows and columns. And the selected term, and the selected command is used to display all the inserted data. And today our first question is about create a table deposit with the following specifications, and they gave us a column name and data type, and in column name they gave us account number, uh, customer name, bank name, account date. And now we will be discussing about it. First, create table deposit First we are taking account. First we are looking to account number varcat, where it should be in varcat. Next, customer name, it should be also in varcat. Next, which bank name, it should be also in varcat. Next, account number, where account should be in number. Comma 2. Next, account date, it should be in date. And now the table is created. To display the table we have to use describe table deposit. Sorry, we gave here only just deposit, so we have to give describe deposit, and it shows our describe deposit. It's a name null, account type, and account number should be in varcat, whereas customer name should be in varcat, whereas bank name should be also in varcat, and account number should be in number, and account date should be date. And the next question is we have to create a table branch with the following specifications, like in column name, data type, like we have to give branch name in varcat 25 and city in varcat. So we have to create table branch bank name which should be in varcat, next city which should be also in varcat, and now the table is created. To check whether we got our bank name and city, we have to give just describe branch. See, here we got our bank name as varcat, and we got our city as varcat. And the next question is about, we have to create a table with the following specifications. Like again we have to, the next question is, we have to create a table borrow with the following specifications, right? Column name and data type. In column name, where we should have our loan number and customer name, bank name, and is amount. And now let's look into that. First, create table borrow loan number which should be in varcat, next customer name which should be also in varcat, next bank name which should be also in varcat, next account number, where account should be in number. Another table is created. To display the table, we have to use describe borrow. And see, here we got the loan number in varcat, and customer name in varcat, and bank name in varcat, and account in number. And my next question is about, insert the following data as shown in the detail, where it is in a deposit table where we got an account number, customer names, bank name, and account, and date, on which date they took. Like account number, for suppose account number is 101 and his name is Anil, and his bank name is VRCE, and the amount is 1000, and the date is 1st March 1995. Like that, we have to give some five names, and I'll just look into that. First, we have to insert to insert to deposit values like 101, which should be hyphen. Next, Anil, which should be also in hyphen because it's name. And next, bank name, which is also should be in hyphen, that is VRCE. Next, the amount, that should be 1000, which should be number, and we don't need to give them any hyphens. And the next is date, which should be also in hyphen. March 95. Now we created, and now it's showing that one row is created. Next, insert to deposit values, as it should be hyphen 102. Next, name is Sunil. Next, bank name AJNI, which should be also in hyphen. Next, the amount is 5000, which should not be in hyphen. And the next one, the date, that should be also in hyphen. 4th Jan 96. Now we have to close bracket, and now the another row is also created. And the next, again we have to insert another row. Insert into deposit values 103. Next, name, the name is Mehul, which should be also in hyphen. Next is the account name. Next one is the amount, which should not be in hyphen, 3500. And the next one, date, which should be in hyphen, 17th November 95. Sorry, I will not give the bank name in hyphen, so it is showing an error. So I will be typing it again. Insert deposit values Sorry, I have done a mistake where here in Sunil where I have to give 102 and I gave it as 101. So I'll be doing this one again. And now I have to create another row. So insert into deposit values where I have to give account number in hyphen 104. Next name Madhuri, where I have to give that also in hyphen. Next bank name is Chandni. Which should also be an hyphen. Next amount 1200, which should not be an hyphen, and date of birth 17th, it should be an hyphen, 17th December 95. Close the hyphen and close that, and the row is created. And the next one, insert into deposit value (105), where the account number should be. Next, the name is Pramod. The next one is the branch name is MG Road. Which should also be in hyphen. And the next one is the amount is 3000. The date of birth is 27th March, which should be also in hyphen. 27th '96 in the year. Close the bracket, close the hyphen, and now the row is created. So now here we inserted to deposit value 5 rows, and now we have to select that. Select from deposit. See, now here we got the account number, customer name, bank name, and amount and data. Account on which date they got, and we got 101 Anil VRCE 1000 rupees, and Sunil and Mehul and Madhuri and Pramod, and we got. Now Now we have to select branch table. Now we have to give here, we have to insert the branch table as branch name and city, and we have to give, already we have give the branch number names, and now we have to insert this branch name and cities. Insert into branch, insert into branch values, where branch name should be in hyphen, as VRCE, and next we have to give the city. It is in Nagpur, which should be also in hyphen, and we have to close. See, one row is created. Next, insert into branch values, into branch values AGIN, and next we have to give again the branch bank name, again Nagpur, and we have to close, and again another row is created. Now again we have to insert into branch values, which should be again where the bank name should be in hyphen. And we have to close the hyphen. Next, city Delhi, we have to close it, and another row is created. Now again insert into branch values, and we have to close the hyphen. Next the city should be also in hyphen, and the another row is created. Now again insert to branch values Andre. We have to close the hyphen. Next, Bombay, and the another row is also created. Now again last one, insert into drag, which should be an hyphen, and again the city is Bombay, which should also be a hyphen when we have to close. And another row is also created. Now we have to select the branch. So select from branch, and now we can see here bank name, city, we are city Nagpur, JNIC Nagpur, Delhi, Chennai, Delhi, Andhra, Mumbai, and 6 rows are created. And my next one is we have to create customer table where the customer name and city should be given. And now we'll be doing that. Insert into customer values and city is Calcutta, where the customer name and city should be in hyphen. Insert into customers table values I'll be doing it again. I got an error. Insert into customer values Anil and close the hyphen. Next hyphen where we have to give city Calcutta. Error because value table does not exist. And now here we created the customer values of Anil Calcutta and customer values of Sunil Delhi and Melu Baroda and her partner Madhuri Nagpur. And now we have to select from customer. And now here we got the city name and city Anil Calcutta, Sunil Delhi, Mehul Baroda, Mandhar, Patna, Madurai, Nagpur. And the next one is we have to insert the borrow values. Insert into borrow values where the loan number should be normal number. We don't need to give an hyphen, and for account name we have to give hyphen. And the next is bank name, which should be also in hyphen. VRCE. Next the amount should be in number, so no need to give. Now we have to close it. And now the row is created. Now again insert into borrow values to 206 where loan number should be normal number, so we no need to give an hyphen. And next we have to give Mehul which should be in hyphen. Next branch name Agni which should be in hyphen. Next the amount should be in normal number, so no need to give an hyphen. And the row is created. Again insert into borrower values we have to give the loan number as 311 which should not be in hyphen, and the name should be in hyphen. The name is Dharmapati. Dar okay. That is bank name. I forgot to give name, so I'm giving as Sunil. And the amount is 3000. And the row is created. Now we have to select from the borrow. Select. Sorry, I gave select spelling. Select from, and I got here my loan number, customer name, bank name, and account. For 2001, Anil VRCE 1000, 206 Mehul Agni 5000, and 311 Sunil Dharmapet 3000. And my next question is list all the data from the table deposit. We have to list all the data from deposit. Select from select the data from deposit, and we got it. And we got from deposit account name, his customer name, bank, which bank name, and amount and date. Here we got 101 Anil, 101 Sunil, 102 Mehul, 104 Madhura, 105 Pramod. And my next question is list all the data from the table borrow. So just we have to select from borrow, and here we got the borrow loan name, customer name, bank name, amount, and here we got everything. And my next question is give amount, give account number and account of depositors. So we have to select, account number, amount from deposit. And here we got, they said us to select the account number and amount from the deposit, and here we got the account number and amount 101,000, 101,000, 102 3,500, 104 1,200, 105 3,000. And my next question is use select statement to display the name of the customers. Now here they are asking us to select statement to display the name of the customer. So we have to just give select customer name from customer. So it gives the customer names what we gave: Anil, Sunil, Mehul and Madhuri. And my next question is select the name of branches. So just we have to give select bank name from branch. So it gives the bank name as and it gives the 6 names what we have given. And the next question is we have to display the name of the customers living in city Nagpur. So just we have to give select customer name from customer where city equal to, where we have to give hyphen for city. So hyphen Nagpur. So in Nagpur just we are having only Madhuri, so we got the customer name. And the next one is we have to display the name of customer having amount greater than 4,000. So just we have to give select customer name from deposit where amount is greater than 4,000. And we got the customer name is Sunil where his amount is more than 4,000. And the next one is we have to display the account date of customer Anil. So select a date, select account date from deposit where customer name is equal to, where it should be hyphen Anil. So it gives us his date of birth as 1st March 1995. And my next question is give the name of all branches located in city Bombay. So we have to select bank name from branch where city equal to where city equal to Bombay. And in Bombay branch, the bank names are Anne and Bitra. And my next question is, give the name of depositor having amount at VRCE. So just we have to give select customer name from deposit where bank name equal to VRCE. And here we got the customer name is Anil, whose bank name is VRCE. And our next question is, we have to display the name of all the branches located in city Delhi. So select bank name from branch where city equal to Delhi. And we got the names. The both names where the city is in Delhi. Next, display the name of customer who opened account after 1/12/95. So we have to give select customer name from deposit where a date is greater than 1st December 95. So the names are Sunil's, Madhuri's and Pramod, whose dates are greater than 1 December 95. And my next one is display the account number and deposit amount of customers having opened between dates 1 December 1995 and 1 June 96. So select account number and amount from deposit where a date between 1 December 95 and 1 June 96. And here we got their account numbers and amount: 101 5000, 104 1200, 105 3000. And my next question is, give 10% interest to all the depositors. So here we are asking them to give 10%. That means we are going to update. So we have to use update update deposits set amount equal to, that means we are going to set an amount which is equal to amount plus amount into 100 divided by 10 divided by 100. Here the 5 rows got updated. So now we have to check from deposit. So select from deposit, and here now the 10% has got updated. So their amount, now Anil's amount is 1100 and Sunil's is 5500, Mehul's is 3850, Madhuri's is 1320, Pramod's is 3300. Next one, we have to change the city of VRC branch borrowers to Nagpur. So just we have to update borrower set where bank name equal to Nagpur, where bank name equal to VRCE. See, now one row got updated. So select from we have to select from borrower. So we have changed the bank name from VRC to Nagpur of Anil. And my next question is, we have to change the deposit of VRC bank to 1000 and change the branch name as VRC Ambassador. First we have to first we have to update deposit set amount equal to 1000, where amount is equals to 1210, and it is saying that 0 rows got updated. Because I gave here it is has 100, so it is showing that 0 rows got updated. Now update deposit set amount equal to 1000, where amount equal to 1218, and again it is showing that 0 got updated, because where I gave 18 instead of 10, I gave 18. Now again I'll do update deposit set amount equal to 1000, where amount equal to 1210. I don't know why it's not getting updated. Update deposit set amount. Now we have to update deposit set bank name VRC underscore AMBAZARI, where bank name is VRCE. Robot updated. So select from deposit, and here we got changed. Delete customers from Bombay city. So we have to delete from branch, where city equal to Bombay. 2 rows got deleted, so we have to select from select from branch, branch, to select from branch. So the city Bombay has got deleted. And my last one is display the customer details whose names ends with display the customer details whose name ends with the letter L. So just we have to give select from customer where customer name like means modulus L. And it displays the name whose names ends with L, that is Anil, Sunil, Mehul. By this I executed all my programs successfully. Thank you.